If the whole family needs to be seen, kids included, come to Acacia Dental Group. My name is Dr. Angela Wilbert Southwell. I have 13 years of experience being a dentist. I absolutely love what I do, and more importantly, I love people. Dentistry provided me the opportunity to combine those two. We provide pediatric care, we provide your regular crown and bridge, fillings, root canals, as well as general oral health. One of the new services that we also provide are snoring appliances. If you have difficulty sleeping at night, come see us. We can take care of you. We're open every Friday and even 2 Saturdays a month for your convenience. We accept most insurances. If you're having a difficult time finding a dentist that takes your plan, give us a call. Call for an appointment or feel free to visit our website. We look forward to seeing you soon at Acacia Dental Group.